Good morning, children. All of you know that we get a long question of 4 marks on commenting a paragraph. If we learn how to comment a paragraph, then we'll easily get 4 marks from each paper so that we can get 8 marks out of 80 marks. So, let us discuss how to comment a paragraph. Okay, children. We have a lot of paragraphs in our textbook, but all the paragraphs have no choice to come in our exam. Some paragraphs which are focusing on any social issue, they may have chance to come in our examination. So here I have taken two paragraphs. This is one paragraph and this is one more paragraph. So I will start how to comment a paragraph. First of all, we have to read a paragraph once or twice and you have to notice what problem is there in this paragraph. Here, this is a paragraph, I will read it. In many parts of the country, girls' education is still given less priority by the parents as compared to boys' education. While girls may study for a few years, they may complete their schooling. This is a paragraph from second lesson. Here, we have a problem in this paragraph, that is gender bias. So, you have to notice the problem and you have to get your opinion in the about this problem. Next, we have to read this paragraph and we have to split this paragraph into three parts. So we have to write three parts or three paragraphs in the examination. So here three parts, I have written three side headings, that is content of the paragraph, my opinion and my suggestions on the problem. Okay, first of all, first part. So what we have to write in first part? We have to write our own sentences on the paragraph. So just you have to read the paragraph and what the paragraph have, you have to write it in your own sentences, not your opinion. You have to write the paragraph in your own sentences in your own language. Here I have written like this. This paragraph is about the problem of gender bias. First of all, you have to highlight the problem. The paragraph is about the problem of gender bias. As per the paragraph, boys are giving more priority than girls. Girls are not completing their studies. Like this, you have to write 3 or 4 sentences in first paragraph. And the second paragraph, you have to write your opinion like this. My opinion as said heading. You have to write your opinion. It may be positive or negative. You have to write your opinion only. Here I have written like this. I agree with the problem. I have seen this type of situation in my school and around my home. Spending on girls' education is treated as waste of money by some parents. This is my opinion. You may agree with this or you may not agree with this. So you have to write your opinion here. And the third paragraph is my suggestions on this problem. Government should strictly implement the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Women should be given more priority in employment of all sectors. Parents should be aware. Women should be given more freedom in political sector. You may write some more suggestions. So overall, we have to read the paragraph. We have to split the paragraphs into three parts, that is content of the paragraph, my opinion and my suggestions. Every part should have at least 3 to 4 sentences. If you write like this, you will definitely get 4 out of 4. And here we will discuss one more paragraph. I will read it. However, many move to urban areas more out of desperation and not having adequate employment opportunities in the rural areas. For these people, living conditions in slums, in towns and cities are worse because space is cramped and even basic facilities such as drinking water and sanitations aren't available. This is a paragraph from the lesson of migrations. And here also we have to read the paragraph once or twice and we have to split the paragraph into three parts, that is content of the paragraph, my opinion, and my solutions. Okay. First of all, content of the paragraph, we have to highlight the problem. This paragraph is about the problem of migrations. As per the above paragraph, due to the lack of employment in rural areas, people are migrating to urban. People are living in slum areas and they are not able to avail minimum facilities. And the second part, I agree with this problem. You have to write your opinion here. If you agree this problem, then you have to write like this. I agree with this problem. Some people from our village are also migrating. The people who are not getting any employment, who do not have land, the people who do not have adequate or sufficient irrigation facilities are moving to cities searching for employment. Migrated people really facing a lot of health issues by living in polluted areas and by not having nutritional food. And the third part is my suggestions. Government should try to provide more employment facilities in rural areas. Government should supervise the companies to take care of their workers and provide minimum facilities by the company management or by the government. Migrated people should be permitted to take subsidized food grains from ration shops anywhere in India. So like this, we have to read the paragraph and then we have to split the paragraph into three parts and we have to write like this. Okay children, all the best.